Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your navigation bar on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this menu icon down below on the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the settings button at the top on the right side next to the search bar. Scroll down to the preferences section and click on navigation bar, which is the fourth option. Here you can customize the bar and choose what you would like to see on the navigation bar by clicking on this first option. Here you can see the available options such as friend requests, groups, profile, watch, gaming, events and feeds. Tap on this auto button on the right side and then you can click on the pin option, meaning that you will be able to keep it in your navigation bar, or you can also hide it so it won't be displayed in the navigation bar. So feel free to customize it, just click on the relevant buttons, whether you would like to hide it or keep it. And here you can see your navigation bar, the available options and the hidden ones as well. So basically that's it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.